NoMoreNoobie here. In this video I'm going to show you how to download the Sharefactory app on the PS4, and once you have this you'll be able to record your gameplay, edit your videos for future use, or even upload them to YouTube. So if you're a PS4 player and want to be able to record your own gameplay and upload it to YouTube maybe, or just keep it for your own personal use and edit your gameplay, then this is the channel for you, because I've got lots of Sharefactory videos like this one which will show you how to do just that. So in order to start the Sharefactory download, you have to go down to the library here and click on that, and then go down to applications, and then you'll see the Sharefactory app right there. You need to click on that, and then that will take you through to this screen here. You just press start, and then you will be able to just record, go through the process from there. I've already got it already, so I can't take you any further on there, but there's only a few extra questions there, and then you will find that Sharefactory is up on your main menu like it is right here. So nice and straightforward. There's only a few questions, it's really straightforward, and once you have downloaded it you'll find it really easy to use. And if you're not too sure, then do check out my other videos, because I've got lots of videos on how to record your PS4 gameplay and how to edit your videos, and one of my next videos will be showing you how to upload it to YouTube as well. So I've got you covered here, so please do subscribe, turn on notifications, and like and comment below.